Hey everybody, on a hot day you wanna open your window without going to the car yet. So if you're far away and you wanna air out the car because it's hot, so what you're gonna do is push this once, then hold. So push once, it unlocks it, and hold it. See, windows down now, and sunroof is open. Alright, so the longer you hold it, the more the windows open. Let me demo that again. Okay, so if you just want to partially open the window, same thing. Let me lock that first. So push once, then hold, let go, and it's partially open. Alright, so that's how you open the window remotely. This is a Honda Odyssey. Pretty sure it works on other Hondas too. Right, that's it. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Goodbye, have a nice day. Bye bye.